Hi, first graders. This is Mr. Chandler, and I want to explain a new tool that you are going to be using today. You're going to be using this tool called Flipgrid. Now, this page that you're looking at right now is a picture of Flipgrid. And what this is you get to post videos into a single place where everyone else in your class is then able to see your video and be able to see what you think. Now, we have to remember that the goal of these types of videos is to show how you think. But notice on some of these, when you finish posting your video, you get to post these really cool pictures. Notice how there's all these little stickers on here. So I want to show you what this is going to look like and how you do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to click on your Google Classroom. You're going to open your Google Classroom and go to the one that's for your entire first grade class. Then you are going to see a link that appears within your stream, and it says Flipgrid number 1, characteristics of a good leader. And underneath it, you will see a link. So you're going to open that link. Now, you're working in pairs, and so one of you will have signed into Google Classroom. So one thing we're going to do is you're going to always click on this. It says log in with Google, because that's just what we do when we're working with digital tools. So we're logging in with Google, and then it takes us to this part that says, well, which one do you want to sign in with? So whoever is signed into the computer or to the Chromebook, you are going to see your name there. So I see my name there. I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to open, and it's going to take me directly to this really cool video classroom. Now notice up here it says characteristics of a good leader. Next to it, you're going to see this thing. If you want it to read it to you, you can. But I bet a lot of you are really good readers, and you can read it. So your question is this: what makes a good leader? So then you'll come down here, and this is the place where you do your responses. This little plus means, hey, I want to add my response to it. And you and your partner are going to think, what is it that makes a good leader? And you want to do a little planning so you can figure out exactly what you're going to say. You want to sound smart. So you're going to hit on this plus sign that says tap to record. Now sometimes you'll see this little box pop up. It says, Flipgrid wants to use your microphone and your camera. Well, this is a video tool, so if you see this come up, you want to choose the one that says allow, because we want to make sure that we are allowing it. Now, hey, look, you can see me. So you're going to see some different tools before you prepare to record. If you forget what it is that the question you are answering, you can always go up here to this thing, and you can click on it. It says, gosh, characteristics of a leader, what makes a good leader? So I might do that as a student, and I might take a moment to think about what it is that I want to answer. So as I go, we are going to prepare and start our statement. Now notice up here it says 30. That means your response can only be 30 seconds long. So you better make sure you say exactly what you want to say in 30 seconds. Prepare. Okay, so one of the things that I did to prepare was I have a note card, and you're going to see that I wrote down what I think are the characteristics of a good leader. And I'm going to have these next to me because these are really going to help me as I record my video. So the first thing I'm going to do to record my video is I'm going to hit this red button. We often see this when we need to record something. And remember, I have 30 seconds. So I'm going to show you what this looks like, and I'm going to record my answer. The question is, what makes a good leader? I think a good leader is an upstanding citizen. They are very involved in their community, and they make sure everyone is doing the right thing. Second, they are curious, meaning they really wonder about the world. And last, I think they're overflowing with joy. They are constantly kind people. That's what makes a good leader. Notice how I finished it up here, and I still have 4 seconds left, but I had to make sure that I was really careful about my response. Now, when I hit next here, it's going to allow me to watch my video again, and if I want to redo it, I can. So I'm going to stop talking so you can see what it does. The question is, what makes a good leader? I think a good leader is an upstanding citizen. They are very involved in their community, and they make sure everyone is doing the right thing. Second, they are curious, meaning they really wonder about the world. And last, I think they're overflowing with joy. They are constantly kind people. That's what makes a good leader. The question is, what makes a good leader? So I am going to hit, I think a good leader is I'm going to click on this that says title. And I want to add to my title, I'm going to call it Great Leaders. You might choose a title that makes sense. Remember, you want to give a title that is about what you're talking about. So I'm going to hit Update Title. And then I come back to this. So my title, notice how it has a little check mark here. Okay, now I'm going to hit Next because you know what? I really like our video. If I want to redo it, I can go over here to this trash can and underneath it, it says Redo and it will give me a chance to make my video again. I don't want to do it too many times because that just takes a lot of time. But there are times where you make a mistake and you may want to redo it. So I'm going to hit Next. Now, once I've done Next, my video is ready to go. And the last thing I do is I want to take this picture. And this is the part called Snap a Selfie. So I want to go back to this thing that I showed at the beginning. See how each of these people have a picture that goes with their video? That is their selfie. So when you go here, now this is where you and your partner get to snap a selfie together. So I'm going to think, I want to look really smart. And I might have a person come and take my picture with me, or maybe I want to look really fun. Okay, so down here is where we snap a selfie. So I'm going to do this. And there's my selfie. Now this is another thing that's really cool. I can now take that selfie, and you'll notice here how some of these people have stickers. I can do the same thing over here. So you know what? Just for fun today, I'm going to click on this little hair one down here. And oh, you know what? I'm going to look gorgeous in a bow tie. So I can put that on there, and I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to put it right here. And you know what? I'm just going to do one extra thing. I have always wanted to have a sweet mustache. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put myself in a mustache. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it works just right. And there is my selfie. And now all I'm going to do is hit Submit, and this is going to go into our video classroom. Here it uploads, and it says, yes, you did it. So now I'm going to hit Complete. And you're going to see that that video is now in the classroom, and anyone in the class gets to watch. So remember, you are making a video that you want to show your classmates how smart you are. You want to show them that you can really give a good answer to your question today. What makes a great leader? Kids, enjoy it. You're going to love Flipgrid.